My name is Calvin, holder 816023774. Let me just show you how I know what I know. Basically, to create a shared folder, I can go into settings. I'm using the correct terminal right now. To be sure that I'm using the correct one, let me just exit this. Alright. So right now, I was using this one. Okay, it's currently saving, so I can't access that. Nevertheless, settings, creating a shared folder. This is my knowledge so far on it. Shared folder, add new, select the path. I think the battery is low in this mouse. The path I want is in my hard drive disk. Go into users, calv, and then documents. Right, in here I'll create a new folder called, no, the shortcut, my bad. New folder called shared folder. My bad. Right. Upon doing so, select the folder. Boom. I will also auto mount it, so that way it should also be recognized in Ubuntu itself. So let me just start up Ubuntu now. Right, let me quickly show you how I can access the shared folder in the command prompt using Windows. So cd change driver documents. I think I have to put a capital D. Gotta be precise with this. So now I'm in documents, and then I will say cd shared folder. Now I'm in shared folder. If I want to create a folder here, I actually have the instructions because I'm yet to practice it enough to remember. But basically, to create a file, I want to create a text file in the shared folder, right? The text file would be this. I can say echo, type what I want the text file to contain, and then put this forward arrow to say to output it in the actual text file here, command.text. So let's see if that works. Echo. Let me get it out there. Okay. Oh, by the way, I misspelled echo here. Alright, so echo. Right, for that and call the text file command text. Right. If I want to open command text, I just type command text. And that's how you open it. If it is I want to edit command text, I believe you have to put type. I think you could see it here. Type command text. This is just to see what you have in it. Well, that's pretty much what I know so far. I forgot how exactly to edit it using command prompt. I could find out that really quickly on YouTube, but I don't think I'll do that. Matter of fact, you know what? I'll do that. Hold on. Alright, so pretty much it's the same thing. To edit the text, you have to use echo again. And you say what you want. This is new text line. My bad. And you forward that into command.txt. Alright. So to see it, type .txt, and there's the new text line. If I want to see it for sure, let me just open command.txt, and it opens, and that's how I edited this. I edited within the shared folder. So that's done. Next step is to show you. Hold on, I see Ubuntu is going through some things here. Basically want to show you how it is I do it in the terminal. If it will actually start, just give me a second here. So just access the terminal, but I tend to get a little excited and misspell things a lot. Alright, so supposed to be able to do the add-on here, but I had some difficulty with this. I think I misspelled the command instructions itself, but this was really to allow me to enter into the driver to see the shared folders, but that in itself had difficulties. Anyways, to show you that it's legit what I did on the command prompt in creating the folder, if I go into the local disk, users, my username, documents, shared folders, it's right here, what I just created and edited. It's supposed to be a shared folder also connected to Ubuntu. So now I'm going to access that folder. Let's just see where I am. So ls, okay, just to list the files. Yeah, pretty much it's supposed to show here, but difficulty in that regard. It's a read-only file system. I think the write aspect didn't properly install or added on. But let me just show you my knowledge in creating a file, right? So let me just go into desktop. So cd desktop. Oh my bad. Oh, I misspelled it. Okay, I'm in desktop. If I want to create a file, just use the instructions here. You have to use touch. So touch, after typing that, I can declare what the file name is. In this case, I want to call it terminal.txt. Close brackets, then I can echo, put what text I want. This is terminal. Terminal text file editing. I just want to make sure I have all my codes correct. Alright, then you obviously outputted this echo file, which you're speaking to yourself really, into the actual text file. So I just say terminal.text, then I can say wait and then open the terminal text. So you have to declare open to open it. So forward it terminal semicolon. Alright, so this should do it. Ah, really? Let's sort that out quick. So I basically missed the semicolon right here. When I was typing terminal.text, I didn't put the semicolon right here. So I have to do that again. Touch. Let me make sure I have to put a semicolon here because it's slightest error is problems. So as I put, no, you don't have to. Capital T now. Terminal.text and then colon wait. Alright. Read-only file system. I guess that's the error I'm having, but that's my knowledge on creating the file. Usually once it is successful, I have to sort out whatever this issue is where it's in a read-only state. I'll find that out on YouTube. Usually it would have been created right here in Ubuntu. Once it is, I went into desktop and I created the file, it would appear right on desktop, and it has. I did do it successfully before until I tried to install the add-ons, the CD image add-ons, and it did not install successfully. But unfortunately I have to upload an unsuccessful attempt so at least retrace whatever marks I can get. But as you saw, using Ubuntu, at least what was successful is I was able to create the shared folder, which actually showed up here in the PC, and I was able to edit it using the command prompt. I do know, because I have successfully edited, so if there may be grace, you didn't see it, but I actually do know how to access, but I did it on this Ubuntu folder here. My bad. I did it using this one, but as I was loading it or starting it up, it did not start up successfully because I have 3 folders on this one. That's really it. I'll take the marks I can get. Thank you very much. I'll do better and obviously continue my research.